welcome to my channel. My name is Sandrine. Hi. So in today's video we are going to be making one of those scrunchies. Let me show you a picture. So I do wear scrunchie a lot because I always put my hair up. I don't like combing it or like trying to style it. I just like keeping my one little style, which is just a quick and easy bun. That's basically it. But we're gonna be making some scrunchies today. I have some pictures. Hope you guys can see it. So all we're gonna need are some elastic. I got some black ones and some white ones. Some material. I got these. Some of other colors. And I have a black and white one. And you're gonna need your needle and thread, or you can just glue the edges together. I'm probably like gonna sew one of them and then just glue everything together with my hot glue gun. But anyway, let's get started. This is gonna be quick and easy. Bye. Okay, so I have the materials right here. Oh, I'm gonna need my scissors. I don't even know where I put it. Hold on. So I got my scissors and my hot glue gun, which so basically all I'm gonna do is, let me try on the back one first. I think it's better if I do it a long way.
I wanna see the light. See the light. I wanna see the.
So I'm just gonna glue the edges together and then slip the elastic inside.
I wanna see